Valves need to be adjusted on diesel engines to ensure optimal engine performance, efficiency, and longevity. Here are primary reasons why valve adjustments are necessary. Reason number 1, maintaining proper clearance. Valves require specific clearances or gaps between the valve stem and rocker arm or camshaft. These clearances compensate for thermal expansion of the engine components as they heat up during operation. If the clearances are too tight or too loose, it can lead to various issues. Reason number 2, ensuring proper valve timing. Correct valve clearance ensures that the valves open and close at the precise time required for optimal engine operation. Incorrect timing can reduce engine's efficiency, performance, and increase emissions. Reason number 3, preventing engine damage. Inadequate valve clearance can lead to several mechanical problems. For example, if the clearance is too tight, the valves may not fully close, leading to a loss of compression, poor engine performance, increased fuel consumption, overheating, and potential valve or seat damage. If the clearance is too loose, it can result in excessive noise, valve clatter, increased wear on the valve train components, and improper valve operation. Reason number 4 is improving fuel efficiency and power. Properly adjusted valves contribute to effective air and fuel mixture flow into and out of the combustion chamber, which enhances fuel efficiency and engine power. Reason number 5 is reducing emissions. Correct valve operation ensures complete combustion of the air and fuel mixture, which helps reduce harmful emissions. Reason number 6 is compensating for wear and tear. Over time, components in the valve train can wear, leading to changes in the valve clearance. Regular adjustment ensures that these changes are corrected to maintain engine performance. Next, I'd like to discuss how often valves should be adjusted. The frequency of valve adjustments depend on the engine's design, usage, and manufacturer's recommendation. Generally, it's good practice to check and adjust valves at regular intervals specified in the engine's maintenance schedule, which can range from every 100 to 200,000 miles or specific hour intervals for industrial or marine engines. Now I'm going to cover signs that valve adjustment is needed. Increased engine noise, a noticeable increase in valve clatter or tapping noise. Decreased engine performance, lost power or poor acceleration, rough idling, irregular or rough idling of the engine, starting problems, difficulty in starting the engine, increased fuel consumption, higher fuel usage than usual, increased emissions, more smoke or exhaust emissions. Regular valve adjustments are a critical part of diesel engine maintenance and help ensure the engine runs smoothly, efficiently, and reliably.